Okay, let's look at this one first. I'm going to start by rewriting it. So I get 1/2 x plus 1/4 equals 4 times the quantity 2/3 x plus 1. I want to get rid of the parentheses and the fractions, but before I do the fractions, let's just get rid of the parentheses because that's going to be an easier process. So I'm going to distribute this 4 to both terms in those parentheses. So this left-hand side is going to stay the same. 4 times 2/3 is 8/3. X 4 times 1 is 4. So, I want to get rid of this fraction with a 2 in the denominator, one with a 4 in the denominator, and one with a 3 in the denominator. I'm going to multiply the entire equation by a number that will cancel out the 2, 4, and 3. I'm looking for the lowest common multiple of 2, 4, and 3. And that's going to be 12. Because 2 goes into 12, 4 goes into 12, and 3 goes into 12. It doesn't have to be 12. You can use 24, 36, but this is just the lowest multiple that these three things have in common. So when I distribute this 12 to every term in the equation, if you don't distribute it to all four terms, it's going to change the value. So when I do that, I get 12 times 1/2 is 12 halves, x. 12 times 1/4 is 12 fourths, equals 12 times 8/3. 12 times 8 is 96 thirds, x, plus 12 times 4 is 48. And since I picked a multiple of those denominators, they should all cancel out nicely. 12 divided by 2, that's going to give me 6x. Plus 12 divided by 4, that's going to give me 3. Equals 96 divided by 3, that's going to give me 32x plus 48. Now, it's just a matter of moving anything. I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. 6x, 6x. I get 3 equals 26x plus 48. Subtract 48. So I get negative 45 equals 26x. So dividing both sides by 26, you get negative 45 over 26. Okay. Now the next one's a little messier looking. Let's see. It says Jane has a prepaid cell phone with Ringular. Oh, that's nice. Instead of singular wireless, Ringular. She can't remember the exact costs, but her plan has a monthly fee and a charge for each minute of calling. So it's going to look like this: something equals something times X plus or minus something. In June, she used 280 minutes and the cost was $92. In July, she used 980 minutes and the cost was $267. So we can translate these to a set of coordinates. Instead of x, y, it'll be like m, comma, c, minutes and cost. Or they want x and cost, x and c. So we'll change that to x. So we have the point 280 minutes. Her cost was 92. And we have 980 minutes. Her cost was 267. Okay. The first thing you want to figure out is what's the slope. The slope is going to be this number here in front of the x. So our slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We get y2 is 267 minus 92 over 980 minus 280. And that's where you end up getting this 0.25. Okay. I'll do it out for you. We have 267 minus 92, and 980 minus 280. We get 175 divided by 700. That's where you get the 0.25. So I have an equation that looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. I have my m. Boom, right there. I have two combinations of x and y, or x and c in this case. This should be c. So I'll take either one and then solve for b. I'm going to take this first one here. So when c is 92, I get 92 equals 0.25 times 280 plus b. I get 92 equals 0.25 times 280. So that's going to give me 70 plus b. Subtract 70, you get 22 equals b. There's my b, there's my m. Be careful here because it says enter your monthly cost as c equals. So your answer should really look like this. C with a function of x, c with respect to x, like that, equals 0.25x plus 22. And then for this guy, since your answer here is changed, you'll just plug in 449 in for x. And we would get 0.25 times 449 plus 22. Her bill will be $134.25.